You've probably heard that. Making money with AI is super complicated, right? That you need to be some kind of tech genius or have a ton of money to even get started. Well, what if I told you that's completely wrong? Today, I'm going to show you the 5 easiest, most beginner-friendly ways to start making money with artificial intelligence, even if you're starting from absolute zero. We're going to count them down from 5 to 1, with each method getting more powerful and profitable. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to pick a method and start your AI side hustle today. So, grab a notepad, and let's dive into the future of making money online. Coming in at number 5 on our list is AI-based freelance services. This is, without a doubt, one of the simplest entry points into the world of it. Think about all the small tasks businesses and creators need every single day. Eye-catching YouTube thumbnails, engaging social media posts, basic graphic designs, or even proofreading articles. In the past, you needed specific skills for each of these. Now, you just need the right AI tools. Tools like Midjourney or DALL-E can generate stunning images and thumbnails from a simple text prompt. AI writing assistants can whip up a week's worth of social media content in minutes. You don't need to be a graphic designer or a professional copywriter anymore. Your job is to be the creative director, guiding the AI to produce what your client needs. The best part, it's incredibly low. You can start offering these services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork today with zero upfront investment. You learn as you go, building a portfolio and your confidence with each completed job. It's the perfect way to get your feet wet and start earning your first AI dollars. All right, let's move on to number 4, AI content and blogging. Content is still king on the internet, and businesses are desperate for high-quality articles, blog posts, and newsletters to attract customers. This is where you come in. Armed with it, imagine being able to produce a perfectly written, SEO-optimized blog post in a fraction of the time it would take to write it manually. AI writers can research topics, structure articles, and write compelling content that's designed to rank on Google. You can use these tools to start your own blog in a niche you're passionate about. The AI helps you consistently publish content, attracting organic traffic over time. Once you have an audience, you can monetize through affiliate marketing ads or selling your own products. Alternatively, you can offer your services as an AI-powered content creator for other businesses. They get hit-quality content that drives traffic, and you get paid for managing the process. It's like having a team of expert writers at your fingertips, ready to build a content empire for you or your clients. Now for method number 3, and this one is a game changer for introverts or anyone who does unwant to be on camera. Creating faceless YouTube channels. You've probably seen them channels about history, science, finance, or meditation, where you never see the creator's face. In the past, creating these videos was a ton of work, requiring script writing, voiceover recording, and finding or creating visuals. Now, AI can automate almost the entire process. You can use an AI tool to generate a detailed video script on any topic. Then, feed that script into an AI voice generator to create a natural-sounding, human-like voiceover for the visuals. You can use AI video generators that create scenes from text prompts or AI tools that find the perfect stock footage to match your script. You can literally create an entire YouTube video from start to finish without writing a single word, speaking into a microphone, or appearing on screen. This allows you to build a completely automated content machine that generates passive income through YouTube ad revenue once your channel is monetized. You can run multiple channels across different niches, creating scalable streams of income. We're getting into the really powerful stuff now. At number 2, we have AI website creation. Every small business needs a website, but many owners lack the technical skills or the budget to hire an expensive web developer. This is a massive gap in the market that you can now fill with AI. There are amazing new AI no-code website builders that can create a beautiful, professional, fully functional website in minutes. It's almost magical. You'll literally just type a prompt describing the business. For example, a modern website for a local coffee shop in Brooklyn that specializes in artisanal pastries, and the AI will generate the entire site layout, write the copy, and select the images. From there, You can easily customize it with a simple drag-and-drop editor to perfectly match your client's brand. You can charge clients hundreds or even thousands of dollars for a website that the AI built for you in under an hour. You don't need to know how to code or have any design experience. You just need to know how to talk to the AI and deliver a fantastic result to a happy client. This is an incredibly valuable service that businesses are actively looking for right now. And finally, we've arrived at the #1 most scalable and profitable way for a beginner to make money with AI. Starting an AI automation agency. This might sound intimidating, but hear me out. An AI automation agency doesn't build the AI itself. Instead, it helps businesses integrate existing AI tools into their daily operations to save time, cut costs, and increase efficiency. Every business has repetitive tasks, things like answering common customer emails, scheduling appointments, or managing social media. You can come in and set up simple AI systems, often called automations, to handle these tasks automatically. So there you have it, the 5 easiest ways to start making money with AI. From simple freelance gigs to building your own automation agency, the key takeaway here is that you don't need to be an expert to get started. The technology is here, and it's more accessible than ever. The most important thing you can do is to stop just watching videos and actually start doing. You don't have to master everything. Just pick the one method that excites you the most. Whether it's creating faceless videos or building websites for businesses, commit to learning and taking action on that one thing. You will learn and improve as you go. So, I have a question for you. Which of these 5 methods are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're planning. Thanks for watching, and if you found this valuable, make sure to like and subscribe for more ways to level up with AI. See you in the next one.